Nose hairs are ugly, and pulling them is a terrible move.
Manscaped's got all your manholes covered. The all-new Weed Whacker 2.0 is a better way to trim ear and nose hair.
You can't be walking around here looking like you got spiders crawling out of your nose.
Featuring SkinSafe technology.
It helps reduce nicks, snags, and tugs in those delicate areas.
And it is waterproof for a quick, easy clean.
It's got a powerful 7,000 RPM motor
And an improved steel blade system and upgraded cutting performance to better trim down those unsightly branches in your schnoz.
Oh, you hear that? I know y'all hear that. Smell the roses.
It's cordless, rechargeable.
It has a battery life up to 45 minutes.
If it takes you longer than 45 minutes to trim your nose and ear hair, you may have a serious medical condition.
Oh, and this baby is included in the Performance Package 4.0, a freaking perfect gift.
And 2 free gifts for your balls. The free travel bag, as well as free pair of nice silky drawers on your balls.
It's time to level up your groom game. Go to manscaped.com.
Your balls will thank you later, but also your nose hairs and ear hairs as well.
Now get them nasty weeds out of your face hole. Manscaped.com.